Alright, this is a short video on drawing files as they relate to your Balsa Wood Bridge project. So if we look in Unit 4 here, down at the bottom, under Lesson 8, there's two different drawing template files. So these two files are used to create drawings, and they have custom title blocks on them. So if you click on the link, it's going to download that file. I already have it open over here. And this is basically what it looks like. It's got a custom title block on it so that you can come in and change that to meet what you are trying to create. So if you come on this side and you right click and do edit sheet format, you can edit all of these things. So I want you to create your own logo. This one is the inch one. You're going to have a part name, your name. You can put the mass in if you'd like, otherwise delete this text right here, and then your material. This also will update every time that you save the file. Just a little side note here, I needed to insert this to show you that I want you to save this and create your own title block. So you should save this template file and then use it to create both the files for your bridge and also for a future assignment where you'll be making more drawing files. So once you save this to your server, make sure that you rename it and make it your own. So for your bridge, you're basically going to be creating two different drawing files. One drawing file is going to have your individual pieces on it. The other drawing file is going to have your assembly on how these things are going to go together. So if we look on this file right here, you'll notice that I already have a balloon on here showing number 1, because what we want to do is we want to show where everything is going to be assembled to. So if we switch back over to this drawing, you'll notice that this one does not have a balloon right now. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to add that balloon. And just know that as you bring in all of your balloon or all of your different parts, you're going to be adding those balloons as you go, and also adding them on your assembly view so that you know where they go. To add a balloon, you're going to click on the annotation tab up here at the top. You're going to click balloon, and then you're going to select where you want your arrow of your balloon to go, and then click where you want your balloon to go. So now we've got this balloon. Right here is a 1 showing that this is part 1, but this part is part 1 of its own part. So if we bring in another part, it's going to be part 1 of its part. So what we need to do is know how to edit these balloons. If you double click on the balloon, you can scroll down on this left hand side, and you can change balloon text to be text rather than item number. So if this is the third part that we're having in our drawing, we can put a 3 on it. And then if we go back over to our other side here, if that part needs to go right there, we can double click on it and edit that. So this is just a quick rundown of what you need to do to build both your cut sheet and your assembly sheet.